The most common feedback that I get that I really appreciate is that I listen. It's really interesting going into a house and hearing people say that other providers came in and just told them what they needed.
The customer service from Dream Doors was fabulous. Listened very carefully to what we wanted.
I have amazing installers, but also because of my background, I'm hands-on as needed.
Nick and his team were problem solvers that managed to keep what could be kept and then enhanced it with the nice reface paneling.
Just the speed of getting everything done. Within 3 days, we had something that was looking what we'd imagined. It was pretty amazing.
And the team were very, very clean, very polite, shoes off at the door, very good team.
Every day I get to meet different people and get the pleasure of visiting them and transforming part of their life into something that I know is going to last them a long time.
Where we were embarrassed, it's now a kitchen that we can be proud to host people both in and around what is the central part of the house.
Ideal customer has had some thought about what they want, they're open to having input from us, and they're ready to go.
We just wanted to refresh and bring it up to modern standards and give it a new look.
If you're looking for a new kitchen on the North Shore, give me a call. No obligation, I'll come out, use these big ears of mine to listen to what you're trying to achieve, give you some pointers and help you in the right direction for transforming that kitchen and making it your dream kitchen.